Hello everyone, this is your boy Solomon from Console Media again, yet in another video. It has been quite a long time without me dropping any video for you my viewers, but today the video is all about MacBook Pro users, MacBook Air users. So I've made this video. I'm going to show you all MacBook users, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, on how to download Microsoft Office for free. This Microsoft Office suite, I'm going to put the link in the description below where you can download it from for free, and in the video I'm going to show you how to install it just for free. Okay, let us go into the video, but before that, don't forget to subscribe onto my YouTube channel as Kim Solo Media, and also don't forget to click the notification button so that you can see my future, you can watch my future videos. So let's go into the video right away. So in this case, we need to open up the browser, okay, as you see, and open the link which I have posted in the description below. Check in the description box below and you click on it. Okay, so as you're seeing, it has opened. The way it's going to open, don't mind, as you see, this couldn't preview the file. There was a problem with the network, so don't mind about that. Just click on the just after download it, click on the download button, the blue button, download, then you click on download anywhere. It is possible to show to it might appear differently on your browser, so but you have to download it. As you're seeing there, down here, it has started downloading, but it's quite large. It's 1.4 gigabytes. So, and this is my downloads. It is downloading here. I've already downloaded it here, so I cancel it. Let us go in and find out. So once the file, this is the file, it has already downloaded, it will be in zip, so double click in it so it can be extracted, as it is extracting right now. Don't miss any step, please follow the steps. So as you're seeing, Microsoft Office 2019 Mac, it has downloaded, it has extracted rather, so double click on it, and we have Microsoft Office package and also volume license package. So first we need to install Microsoft Office, so double click on it. Verify Microsoft Office. Okay, so minimize it. Okay, so here we need to continue, then continue. Before that, you need to change the language, but me, I use English, United Kingdom. So if you want to change, don't forget to select it, continue, agree. Okay, install for all users on this computer, continue, install. So prepare. So don't forget to put the Mac password, as you see. Okay, preparing for installation, prepare Microsoft Office. Okay, keep on waiting, need to be patient, validating packages. While it's downloading, right, while it's installing, let me show you that I don't have any Microsoft product or Microsoft application in my application. So no Excel, no PowerPoint, no Publisher. I don't even have folders for Microsoft. No any as you're seeing. That's all. I don't have any application. So I'm writing the files right now. So you need to be patient. It takes some time depending on the power size of your Mac. So as you see, mine is taking 23 minutes. So as I'm waiting, let us keep waiting. Need to be patient. So I think let me add some speed to my video as I'm waiting. So let's close it. You can move to trash, or you can keep it. And then after, this is the next step. As you see, yeah, we have already installed. This is Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Microsoft OneNote, Excel, Outlook. Yes, we have successfully installed. So we're going on another step, as you're seeing. So before you open any of it, or Microsoft Word, we need to install Volume License Pack. Yeah, so for some people they can open, and if you open any of these, it can disturb you. So let us first install the volume license, as you see. Then after you install the license, you can open. So double click on it, the volume license, then we click on continue, install. Then after we put the MacBook password, the same password, install. Yeah, as you see, it was successfully installed. Yes. We keep it. Then after we'll minimize the page, then try to open to check. Okay, yeah, we'll extend. Don't worry about this, the update, you can easily close it. Yes, to keep it up to date, you can just easily close it. Yeah, I don't mind about it. So let us test. That's it. We save. Okay, this is working, and then we open it. Yeah, we save it on the desktop, then we double click to open. Yeah, it's really working. Yeah, and everything is here, the design, layout, references, everything is here. So as you see, we minimize it, close it, we go back, open Excel. I think open Excel. Let's open Excel, and we see, yeah, Excel also works. Let us test. Blah, blah, blah. This works still well. Okay, everything is working well. So hope you guys like this, and please don't forget to subscribe onto my channel. Don't forget also to share, like. Don't forget to give me a thumb up. So if you want any video about this, yeah, so here there is no any need of buying a license key, there is no any need of paying anything. So this is free of charge. This is a free method. Okay guys, I thank you for watching my YouTube videos. So if it doesn't, but this works out correctly, please subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Solomon from Crimson Media. See you in another video. Thank you. Sign out.